Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, we got some shelves here, some toolboxes here in the middle. 129. There's the Husky toolboxes. Then we got some gloves, whatever's left over from the sales. Looks like we got a lot of gloves here for 19. And then we got these nice gloves here, and then firm grip gel pro, and then we have these Milwaukee ones, which they're on the wrong place. They're actually on this section, but yeah, they still have those Milwaukee for $14.97. So if you need some Milwaukee's, pick them up. And then we have some more, a big section actually of Husky. A lot of Husky to choose from. It seems like Husky's not selling as much as other brands, so they got that for $9.88, $24.97, $14.86, then $59 for that ratchet electric. So they still haven't lowered the price on most of these. They have a lot of these kits still in stock. I mean, there's tons of these, not just in this section, but they have another section that's just full of them, where they haven't sold as much as I thought they were probably. But I'm pretty sure they're going to go down in price. They're going to get, hit clearance pretty soon. And we got some more gloves over here. Really nice. Leather on the bottom. Yep, really nice. $12.88. Then we got some tie downs here for $8.97. Some more tie downs here. $9.97. Really nice with those rubber grip. Then we got some accessories here for the sockets and all organizers. We got some wrenches. The ratcheting wrenches for $29.97. $19.97. Their choice. So yeah, they still have a lot of these kits left, even on the bottom. Husky exclusive to Home Depot, outstanding. $49.97. Yeah, I just gotta wait until all these prices start dropping, and then pretty much it'll be like whatever you can, because different stores are gonna have different prices. Not every store is gonna have the same price. I found that out because when I walk into one store, there's one price. Then I walk into another store and there's a different price on clearance. Or, yeah, basically clearance. Usually sale items are the same, but mostly clearance items, like the stuff that's, and then they still have that for $169, a rigid $19.22 for that tote. Really nice. And then they have these filters still for $19.88, so definitely pick them up. Great deals. And then they have this kit for $99. They don't have the free tools at this Home Depot, but they do still have the kit. I'm pretty sure they're going to go on clearance. Like I said, they're going to still lowering them down. There's some people that said that they were doing the 99 deal, the two battery deal. Went down to, if you put an impact driver and the batteries, you get it for $79. So try putting the 3P speed or any of the brushless single tools without a battery and a charger. Try putting those into the online on the HomeDepot.com. Try putting those with those batteries. See if how much they drop. Then they got the inflator for $36.97. Maybe that's the newer inflator. You got the more accessories here. The vacuum. The radio, $129 for that kit. Angle grinders. Yeah, they got a big selection here. And then we got some Milwaukee's. They got a buy one, get one free. So you get a free battery, I guess, if you buy a tool. They didn't have any at this location. So most likely everything sold out. Here's the big sections of the tools. Really nice selection here. And they don't have, if you guys notice that they don't have the bars like they do in other stores. You know how they, Like if they're in cages, people are gonna steal them. But yeah, not in this store. They don't have any. $9.97 for a 6-pack of Daredevils. Not a bad deal if you don't need to buy a whole lot. But last year we did see that. What is it? A 12-pack? Or no, it was a 10-pack for $10. So yeah, that was last year's. I did grab a few of those to do the test of the tools. Yeah, we got some Milwaukee's here. Really nice selection. Especially the fuel. The fuel's really nice. $169 for the Makita batteries. And then we got the DeWalt section. Yeah, I was looking for the new lower price or the yellow tags. Those are always the ones that I have them on sale. As you guys see there. They got a bunch of blades too. Here's a clearance section. Definitely, we got some tools. $24.97 for the inflator. That's the old inflator. Maybe they're just trying to roll the old and roll the new stuff in. But yeah, they got a few tools. Not necessarily the cheapest, but if it doesn't hurt looking at whatever's here. If you're already here, why not just take a quick peek and maybe you'll find the tool you're looking for at a discounted price. That's what, I just made a habit of walking around the Home Depots, and if I'm, going to pick up something for the house, something breaks for the house, I just come and just look at these end caps or these. That's where you get all the sales, And then we got some inflators, some little compressors here, $49.98. Ryobi with Milwaukee for $89. And then we got those Ryobi inflators, $36.97 for the new one, $24.97 for the old one. I don't really see a difference between these. Most likely the gauges or the internals are different. You guys know what the difference are on those. Please let me know in the comments. Also, if you guys know of any good deals that are happening right now, feel free to leave me a comment down below so we can take a look at them. Or if if I'm there, I can pick them up, do a review. But yeah, if you guys notice here, I'm in the masks section where the respirators and all that. There's actually, it's pretty empty on the respirators. Yeah, they got some nice. I gotta pick myself a pair of these. But yeah, on the respirator side, if you guys notice, it's empty. I tried going to 2 different Home Depots buying some of those masks. Not necessarily for for that virus that's going on, the coronavirus, but for work, because I really need them for work. But there's not any around. So what I did is I went to I went to another store and found some at another store. But yeah, they got the nice selection here of gloves. Definitely some nice gloves. And then we got the nails, the nailers. And everything's turning to battery. So if they got that Ryobi Airstrike. It's a really nice set there. So if you're looking to do some nailing, check out Ryobi. I gotta get some Ryobi Airstrikes. Cause I'm in the line already, so might as well just pick up the Airstrike. That way you don't have to drag the compressor around and the hose. Yeah. Now we got some more sets over here. Some hammers, really nice hammers. Then we got some storage. Yeah, I was looking at this DeWalt box. This thing's huge. $79, not a bad deal. It does have some aluminum rails there, so maybe if you want to tie something up there, or if you want to tie that to the bed of the truck, or maybe put a chain or something, you can tie it up to the truck so nobody steals it. But yeah, it's all these, especially these rigids, are great value. The Stanleys too, great value there. But yeah, DeWalt and Milwaukee. Probably Milwaukee's probably the top tier, top of the line. tool storage. Definitely recommend it. If you can get into this platform, it's definitely one of the best Milwaukee pack out. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.